I was videotaping a long time ago. I guess I wasn't.
He was joking.
What? That kid does not like fireworks.
Maybe the fox has them.
That's insane, like fireworks. I'll throw them.
Merry Christmas to you. And you, and you, and you.
Where's that can?
Yeah, yeah.
I'm gonna read that. What happened when you get it in your eyes? I seriously did not mean to do that.
No, don't give him bug. Don't do it. Don't do it.
What?
No, Dominic sprayed it in his eyes.
I didn't spray it in my eyes.
Adam sprayed it in Dominic's eyes.
Adam sprayed bug spray in my eyes.
Boom.
Make sure it's non-lethal. Someone really loves fireworks. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, that one's not taking off.
Run!
Run!
That was a good firework right there.
Was.
It was just kind of like sizzling on the ground like a steak. Oh, there we go. What are they doing? I'll show you how to light fireworks. Give me bug spray and a lighter. Mwahaha. Or chain grease. In a can.
Sierra probably freaked out over there. Nope, can't.
Open.
I'm deaf.
Open it.
Sierra probably like freaked out when those two went off.
It says to rinse your eye out.
Thank you.
That's what it says. It says rinse your eye out for 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay, I need to go find a stream.
I'm sorry, maybe you shouldn't have looked. Who looked? Look, I'm Dominic. I'm having a perfectly good conversation with Sean. What? It makes no sense.
I can't make eye contact with Sean. You turned to stone.
Okay, he's making jokes. He must be fine.
I
Wow.
do need the bug spray though because bugs are biting my hands.
I know, they're right in the back of my neck.
So can I have the bug spray, please?
That's why I have a mask.
He's
Oh,
fine, Sean.
and a hood.
No, it's biting my hand.
Give her bug spray.
No, she'll spray it in his eyes.
I will not. I'm not mean.
Catch.
Ah.
But it will explode.
Look at those. Looks like it's not
Watch
supposed to
out,
do that.
Dominic.
Get away. No.
Just a little.
It's toasty in my mask.
That's when those two exploded on the
I
ground.
know, right?
I don't think
Spray my
those
arm.
like
Wait, let me look away.
The
Okay, spank you.
ones that I
It's not me. Adam.
Yeah, what if you just threw it? What?
What?
Bring Adam over. Who's the bug
What?
spray?
No,
Adam does.
somewhere right there, right there.
There's a plastic bag too. I'm taking it.
I got the bug spray.
In your eye.
Yep.
Before you leave, I need some.
Ugh.
Wait, I need
Rub it out a little bit.
Put your food away. Cover your food. Cover your eyes.
I wish someone told me that.
Adam. You're the
What?
devil.
They put a glow stick around Nani's neck. That's probably a good idea.
I knew I should have been wearing my glasses. Dark my bed.
Did a lot go in your
It's
eye?
almost got blown up earlier.
Huh?
Did a lot go in your eye?
I don't know how long you were holding it for. It was like, and then I looked away.
But, I mean,
Fireworks exploded on the ground.
I sprayed it like right here, so there must have just been like a couple little spritzels.
It wasn't really, it didn't feel like a couple of spritzels. It felt like,
And it exploded like right before.
Oh.
Wow, you got a lot of...
They had a big one.
and I don't feel like washing it out with Powerade.
Wow.
Oh, the ones on the ground? Yeah.
Do you think you'll be fine?
Maybe. I like the fireworks.
Man, the bugs are bad out here tonight.
They're not bad down by the truck. But when you get up here,
They're bad up here, yeah.
This is really when aliens don't like us because they think we're attacking them.
You've been recording for like 20 minutes.
I thought I had it recorded 20 minutes ago.
They're usually like an hour long.
Oh, I'm crying. Not really. Just kidding. Just kidding.
uh-oh.
I'm telling you, they're going in my shoes.
I know, they're going in my neck.
You should wear socks.
Oh, no, they're not getting my feet.
Hold that. Watch fireworks.
Fine.
Almost all over.
Yeah, Dominic's like this. Dominic, the dog is
Sounds really fun.
Mom, we should have a dog.
That was staticky.
Yes, it was.
What kind of comeback was that? That's like a Brando comeback.
Ew, Brando.
It's okay. I'll give you creativity for it.
It's about as much as you get, you know.
Yeah, don't look at.
A little more. Some more juice on that.
Fucking what's up there? You okay with it, Ron?
You see that? I think he died. Yeah, you think you could see that he died?
It looks like they spiral.
Here, hold that.
I can't tell if it's looking at it. I can't tell if it's looking at it. You think it's looking at it? It's looking at it.
Those swirly ones are one of my favorites. Wow. See how they just kind of spiral around?
I like your pants.
Thank you. I like your sweatshirt. I like your mellow.
Thank you.
What is your problem? Calm down. You don't have your car, you probably don't have your inhaler.
Just the fireworks. There's no reason to fart on your sister.
Yeah, there is. Just outside. It's really bright. I don't know.
Hey, son.
enough.
Yeah, we say it every year, and then they keep doing more.
Look
We
at
think
the
it's the finale, and they just keep doing more.
Ah, shit.
Yeah.
They're colliding with each other.
They could be doing more and it doesn't play.
Congrats, good job. Some people are just too American.
Too American.
Two things Americans love, cheeseburgers and blowing shit up. Like that day at your house.
Cute.
Shooting guns and then blowing stuff up. Oh, yeah. You catching this? I think I'm catching it.
That's kind of cool. Then,
I make those in my basement. Why are you sitting so close?
I got out of the way for the golf cart. It's gonna run me over.
Why don't you move up then? You can go too.
okay, we're closer. You're not that far. You're probably only like 2 inches away. No, it's like 100 yards. It's probably like 300 feet at the most.
I think the people making noises is funnier than the fireworks. The fireworks aren't funny. You're supposed to salute the man.
Oh,
Salute your fellow fireworks. I like making my own fireworks noises. They're just so cute. Where are those lights up there? The aliens are coming to me. They're coming to fix me. Wait. Come on, malfunction. Malfunction. Come on. Come on. Ah, ta, 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 ta. Ah, ta, 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 ta. Ah, ta, 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 ta. Ah, ta, 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 ta.
You having fun out there, Donald?
Yeah. Ah, ta, 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 ta.
I'll run if you don't.
Malfunction. I'm thinking of malfunction.
Why are you playing footsies with me?
Is your first time touching with me?
Because he's queer.
Busted.
Dominic, listen to it back here. It sounds like a mauler.
back door.
Yeah?
Back door.
Like listen to the bouncing off the tree. Yeah.
My leg fell asleep.
Abby?
Abby.
What is she doing?
What?
What is she doing?
Dominic said, Mike, he smacked his foot on her knee. It was like, my leg fell asleep, and she went, shh, don't wake it up.
Stop.
What happened? Don't smack the chicken.
It's my chicken.
Smack that. Yeah, maybe like it. There's a tree. It's dark outside. Do you have a hat?
Over in the bush over there.
Adam has a bottle. One, two, three. Four. Those three.
Good counting.
Is this fog or smoke?
Smoke.
Nope.
Hey, slow down.
Fine.
5 mile an hour limit.
Run forward.
There's a beauty head. What is that? Good song.
Oh. There's gonna be a lot more than that. They have like last year they had
At like 11 o'clock.
last year they had like 4 finales.
There's never really a finale with this thing.
Basically it ends when they run out of fireworks.
They don't actually run on fireworks. They always keep it going. Tastes like bananas. 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 Bananas, son. Oh. It sounds like static. Oh, man.
Smell the gunpowder. Oh yeah. Oh good.
I can
I love the smell of gunpowder.
I can smell you from here. Sean, take a shower. It's like people taking my picture. Well, I'm just gonna shut my eyes because I can see through my eyelids.
Wow, it's really smoky over here. What's behind you? I don't know. It's smoke or fog.
Like the movie The Mist.
I can smell the
That was a cheesy
smoke.
movie. Shut your eyes.
Oh yeah, it could be fog
You
too.
can't see this.
That goes in the back too. I love it. Behind you? Yeah. That goes in the back.
What is this smell? No, it smells different. Like, oh yeah, it smells like
No, it's different. No, it's
I was trying to remember where I smelled it. I was like, oh yeah, Adam's house. Yeah, we're shooting guns that night. That's when Abby mowed the lawn?
Yes.
And I
I'm
mowed?
good at it.
Look, Abby, hit that target out 2 feet away. Okay. I don't know if I can hit it.
Oh, she did okay for her 20th time. Abby, I'm just kidding.
It wasn't a kitchen appliance.
Actually, we do keep one in the kitchen.
Oh, look at this.
White Mountain, Mountain Dew brand and White Film are doing it. So I hear a couple of them in the bag.
They're going everywhere. Oh. What is V supposed to mean? What is V supposed to mean? Let's talk English. What was that last splash? Was that last splash supposed to happen?
Flogger, Smokey,
Rain, go.
We'll take a walk up the road. Why?
You gotta go take the lead. Well, if you go way down there to about the 6th hole, you can find yourself a porta potty.
Yeah, it's way down though.
I know. Go pee by that tree, that big tree. There's people right there, but go pee right on them. Don't run.
There's people there.
I'll make sure to aim right for the heads.
Hey, at least they won't catch on fire.
I'm gonna go up there.
Yeah, that's where I was gonna go.
Don't go touching each other now.
Alright, you frisky lads.
Go on.
Once they disappear in the mist, they just
That's
go
a
right
nice
back to
pretty
each other.
peeing walk there.
Once they disappear in the mist, they're gonna start walking to each other. Defending out like they're trying to find a lost child. Oh, you got really close to me. No, I didn't get really close. The gun didn't move.
Are you leaning?
No. Pop, baby. Pop, pop, pop. There's a box. That fox must be freaking out right now.
I know. I was just thinking about it.
Like skeet surfing, skeet wheeling, like on a four-wheeler.
Yeah, or a golf cart.
Skeet golfing, skeet golfing. See a bunch of other waving people coming off the hill like with shotguns, golf carts. Oh, I just licked my hand. Ooh,
Those ones aren't supposed to explode.
I don't know.
So, what?
Whoa.
Tastes like
What happened to your friend, Sean?
Hey, here comes a giant
He's no longer with us.
I killed him.
He's lost and
I do that and I hit my butt and
Ugh.
Sean, don't scream. They're just fireworks. Do you need a hug?
No.
Do you have the white card?
Ow, you kicked my foot right as that went off. You kicked my knee.
I can see fireworks over there too. I don't know why I'm watching the ones over there. Why'd everyone turn around?
Looks like a balloon.
No, it's just a forest fire. Oh.
Whoa, look at that, look at that.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, that hurt really bad.
That's gonna be really loud. Or not. I don't think I'm catching that.
Look at the other guys, just look straight up. Like some
A pop, a pop. Zip poppy.
Yeah, you can have the rest of the barbecue. I don't want the rest. My empty drink. Guys, not too much closer.
Ugh, I can't see those at all. They're just too high out of this atmosphere. It's okay, I forgive you. Burp the baby.
It's really bright.
Come on, those ones never explode. 'Cause that's what
These are really bright.
Too bad a plane wasn't flying by.
Pretty far up there.
Oh, hello. Well, there goes that plane.
White ones that
Yeah.
make a lot of noise.
All those little red dots are passengers. Burning passengers. Mm.
Wow.
That made me.
Echo. Really loud. No. Take them back.
No.
Who is that? Oh, I just got hit with an elephant gun.
Ow. Deaf.
We know that, Sean. You were deaf before you even came here.
Whoa.
Ugh. That's unnecessary.
The little ones and big ones.
Big chips, little chips.
That echoes through the mountain so bad too.
Scaring all the little polar bears away. Yes, there's polar bears in the White Mountains.
Where else would they be?
And skill crane machines.
Did you catch on fire?
We're gonna die.
I told you.
Don't run out there!
I told you should have peed on those people. Now they're on fire. Man.
would have had enough water to.
Whoa, that was amazing.
It's
Oh.
like an umbrella of flames and passion.
Poor birds. Those are all the little bugs. I can't get that all on my
All
camera.
of a sudden the ash.
Yeah, stop screaming.
Poor little atmospheric bugs.
Ah.
My eyes.
I was like, go away.
Yeah, spark lanes in my other eye.
I like how it lights the whole place up though.
I like how I got bug spray in my eye.
Dominic, I'm gonna pee on your face.
Hey, then I would be able to wash out my
I
eye.
said I was sorry. You looked at me. I am sorry.
Oh,
That was actually pretty cool.
I'm not sure if that's supposed to happen.
Yeah.
Quick, get closer.
Yay!
Woo! It looks like lightning on this. Look at this. It looks like lightning. It looks like lightning is striking.
it does.
It looks like lightning is striking.
Yeah. Backwards lightning. Lightning,
Alternate universe lightning.
lightning can strike from the ground up.
Look. As they light fireworks off and stuff,
And
it
stuff.
lights up the whole place. See?
When they light fireworks and stuff off. Sean, we have enough light to go golfing.
What?
Huh?
We should have brought a golf club, but actually,
Let's see how many fireworks we can hit. Oh my god. I'm scared.
Oh, wait. No, gotta wait.
Oh no. Explosive golf balls.
Yeah. Do not try at home.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's gonna be big. What if you fired these in your house? Your house would be blown up. Is the finale really loud? Do they use like a big...
You can't hear. Oh god. Run! Run away!
What's in my pants?
That's not firework. Like I said, Adam, we're sitting on top of that hill last year and we're getting fire like ash all over us.
Nice.
We're getting a lot of ash.
That too.
Smell that?
No, they're not done.
Do you smell that?
Yes, I do.
Do you know? I don't think you know what I'm talking about. They're reloading. They're reloading the elephant guns.
it's not all smoke. They're not done.
They are not done.
Pinchy, pinchy.
It takes them a long time to reload here.
Okay, here's my firework. You guys ready? Ah! Yeah! See, they like it.
Wow, it's really smoky.
Thank
It's a
you.
pinchy.
To the firefly. Okay, it's not burning.
That's not firefly, it's burning grass.
It's not
Pee
a
on it.
firefly, it's a burning rabbit. burning bunny.
The fox are on fire.
Yeah.
I think it's over.
Do you think that if you guys, when like the fox dies, you follow it back to its, burrow?
If you followed it back to its burrow, there'd be like a bajillion golf balls.
I know, it's gonna be like a million golf
We're
ball.
already headed back and fireworks.
Isn't that right, Sean?
Damn.
Dominic, this is the perfect time to hide because look at all the smoke.
I know. I wouldn't even need black. Adam.
Yes.
No, Adam.
Oh.
Wait.
Adam.
Sean.
Dominic.
Sean.
Can't do.
Sean.
Close to gone.
Sean.
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 Dominic.
Abby.
Dominic. Sean.
Can't push you over that.
What's your name?
Adam.
No, the other kid. I don't. Is your name Chad?
No, Adam, retard.
I told you the other
What's your
Adam.
name?
Adam.
Nice to meet you, Adam. There's a girl handshake one more time. I did a girl handshake.
Adam.
There you go. Adam. Hi. I'm Adam. What's your name again?
Adam.
Okay, I got it. Wait,
What's yours?
Adam. I think. Last time I checked.
I told you I was looking for the other Adam.
Is that one of our kids?
Ready, watch me go. Ready, watch me go.
Easy,
I'm gonna flip it once more. Ready?
Easy boy.
Drop. They're not sitting in them. We're Delaney